mean, I'm going to what? No, this person seeing the moment you're facing the right way, you're going the other way. I thought I was going that way. Yeah, I'm on this. Go at Melbourne Central Station. What do you do what I'm doing? I feel out the window. The door phone. How do you feel out the window? That's the one I'm riding, 629M, that's a refurbished unit. And I finally got to ride 629M finally. We're under Federation Square now. Yeah. Parliament's the next stop. Trains and trams and buses for my American friends and guys to get used on these trains. Guys, and hang on, guess I'll let it come on. Maybe I'll just be one down. Mum, we go off at the next stop. This was a Tachi because it was going to be film inside the city hood. Yeah, but I know this was a Tachi metro. You could actually see out the window into the city hood. That windows were open. Off this stop. I'm getting off this one coming up. This is Melbourne Central.
Arriving at Melbourne Central.
4 minutes takes to get into Melbourne Central. About 4 minutes, 30 seconds precisely. Oh, Mum, stand up then. I won't miss this one departing at all. Always on departing station. There we go, departing platform number 3. Platform 3 is departing from. What is it? 629M on the front. 194M. Should we be filming in the city group? Yes, got the old unit again, Mum. We got a normal, the old one. Get your other bag, Mum. We got the old unit. One of my favourite units on the back 3 cars. What counts, Mum? Jump on this front car. Go on the front 3 carriages. Oi. Take it, Mum. Flinders, we're getting off at Spencer Street Station. Well, the Spencer Street is not the correct name for Southern Cross. There's a flat spot on the wheel. Sounds like the flange is flat on this train. Look at that, Mum. Sounds like a steam engine. Good old end sets. Really interesting things in the yard. Nothing exciting as usual. Except for Sprinter 7004 is parked.
Southern Cross.
When we stop at the station, it doesn't give you a bit of an announcement if the iron had a good thing to do a full circle from Melbourne Central. Good the Orby hasn't arrived yet. On the back, come out open from the back. Jumping off this one, Mum. Now, if you want to go from Southern Cross to Melbourne Central, you can do that with a single train. But if you want to go from Melbourne Central Station to Southern Cross, you have to get 2 trains. A train from Melbourne Central to North Melbourne, North Melbourne Southern Cross. Come on, we double off this one. OM departing platform number 11. These are suburban trains. Outlined by pantographs. At 677M on the back. Classic metros. Probably from the 80s and early 90s. Don't we can leave that in the comments below which one it is. They're made by Coman. I can't remember what date they were made now. these trains run at night more in the daytime.
You're just sleeping. You
Seems the older metros run more at night than they. I told you these ones more at night and day on these style metros.
It's just funny. Only 4 people have seen them. I've told you, and then you. That's actually.
Oh yeah, this is a metro work vehicle. You can take my vehicle at 7 because I'm going to try and run to the front before this gets to the 7 cross. I'm going to try to get to the front of the... I'm filming the money in your front as well. You're not going to see it, guys. This train here is VL24. Now I caught the door bouncing back. I found it, but the doors actually bounced back.
Now arriving at Southern Cross.
And also you can pull these doors open, but I'm not going to demonstrate that.